The Scottish hinds do porterhouse in frosty nights. The starving cows want not a blade of grass or hay. Appears from Michaelmas to May, must let their cattle range in vain for food along the barren plain. Negger and lank with fasting grown, and nothing left but skin and bone. Exposed to want and wind and weather, they just keep life and soul together till summer showers and evenings dew again the verdant glade renew. And as the vegetables rise, the famished cow her wants supplies. Without an ounce of last year's flesh, whate'er she gains is young and fresh. Grows plump and round and full of metal again the verdant glade renew. And as the vegetables rise, the famished cow her wants supplies. Without an ounce of last year's flesh, whate'er she gains is young and fresh. Grows plump and round and full of metal, is rising from the Dea's kettle. Youth and beauty to enchant, Europa's counterfeit gallant. Why, Stella, should you knit your brow if I compare you to a cow? 'Tis just the case, for you have fasted so long till all your flesh is wasted, and must against the warmer days be sent to Quilca down to graze. Where mirth and exercise and air will soon your appetite repair. The nutriment will from within round all your body plump. Your skin will agitate the lazy flood and fill your veins with sprightly blood. Nor flesh nor blood will be the same, nor aught of Stella but the name. For what was ever understood by humankind but flesh and blood? And if your flesh and blood be new, you'll be no more the former you. But for a blooming nymph will cost us 15 coming summers. Grass your jetty locks with garlands crowned, while all the squires for 9 miles round. Were attended by a brace of curse with jockey boots and silver spurs. No less than justice is a quorum. Their cowboys bearing cloaks before 'em shall leave deciding broken pates to kiss your steps at Quilca gates. But lest you should my skill disgrace, come back before you're out of case. For if to Michaelmas you stay, the newborn flesh will melt away. The squires in scorn will fly the house for better game and look for grouse. But here before the frost can mar it, we'll make it firm with beef and claret.